Hello everyone, this is my first video in English. I hope you like it. For this foil painting, you must first paint the base and the frame with white. When it has dried, you will create a crackling effect, so you will add school glue to the frame. When you have spread it, you will give small touches with a brush and the water-based aging agent. Then, with the help of a dryer, you will air it until the streaks of this wonderful effect appear. Please, at this point I ask you to subscribe, like, share, and comment on this tutorial. If you wish, you can paint it on the back. Now, on a square sheet of paper, you will make the design of your letters and flowers. To do this, you'll divide the sheet into 4 parts. With a grid, you can make them easily. When you are finished, scratch the page on the back with a pencil. Then, with graphite, you can transfer your drawing to the canvas. Remember to secure your drawing with masking tape. With mordant glue and a brush, you paint only the letters, as these will then be covered with the foil paper. Please wait for the glue to dry and become sticky. When it is ready, you will cover each letter carefully with foil paper and pass a brush over it to adhere it better. Now, with pink acrylic paint, you paint the flowers. With a green acrylic marker, paint the branches and leaves. You can use 2 shades of green for the leaves and a brown marker for the little roots. And now it is ready to decorate your home or give as a gift. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Adios.